depth of the whole machine is 7.2 meters and the lifting height is 3.5 meters.
You can also add a gantry according to the height you need. Remaining turning radius is 5.8 meters, so it has less requirements for the slide. The front carriage width is 2.2 meters, can easily lift the goods.
And the forklift adopts CUMMINS WEICHAI turbocharging energy, powerful energy conservation, environmental projections satisfies the requirements of the high-efficiency corporation.
Let's focus on the cab. The seats are comfortable, the joystick is also easy to operate, and it has a wide view.
Finally, it also supplies other models of heavy forklift. More requirements you can connect with me.